look at strategies for all the different kinds of prompts you'll face. And this is probably the most critical question you have to ask yourself in an exam. Assessors are super strict, so even a great story can fail if it just ignores the prompt. Okay, here's our game plan. We'll hit the main rules, then a toolkit for each prompt type. So, your first golden rule: the prompt has to be totally central to your story. No exceptions. Basically, you've got to build your story around the prompt. Don't just paste it in. Okay, let's open the toolkit. First up, picture prompts. They seem tricky, but there's a method. Think of the image as a jumping-off point. So what story is hiding in there? You've really got 3 ways to go here, and it all depends on what the picture shows you. So for this one, the main action, this guy's journey, that could become your whole plot. All right, next up, worded prompts. Here you gotta pay super close attention to the little things. See those dots? That ellipsis suggests hesitation, maybe some mystery. It instantly sets a tone. But swap it for an exclamation point, and boom, the whole feeling changes. It's urgent now. And a question mark? Well, now it's uncertain, maybe even a challenge. Huge difference, right? So don't just drop the quote in. Let its vibe and its meaning really drive your story. Okay, last tool in the kit, combined prompts. This is when you get words and pictures. First, look at how the items combine. What's the overall tone they're creating together? So for example, let's take these words, "You have woken from a 1,000-year slumber," and then combine it with an image of our modern, crazy world. Talk about a tone of confusion. And all this leads to the one master tip you absolutely have to remember. Simple is best. Seriously, the biggest mistakes happen with plots that are way too complicated. Keep it simple. Think of your prompt as a guide, not a barrier. With these tools, you're ready to go. So now it's your turn. What story are you gonna write? Get out there and practice.